I'm changing the oil on one of my dirt bikes. I just thought I'd show how I reuse the copper washers that are on the oil drain plugs. I think this will only work if it's copper. If it's steel, it'll actually make it harder. I don't know what it'll do to aluminum. This is a copper oil plug washer. So this is a TIG welding cup that I'm using, but you can use anything really. Just stick it on there and then heat it up. So it's good and hot. And you want to cool it down pretty quickly. You use water, I use oil, they both work. And when you cool it down real fast like that, it makes it really soft again. It even works if you don't quench them, but it works a lot better if you quench them. So now it's soft and you can use it again. I've used these probably about 4 or 5 times before they finally need to be replaced. But now it's really soft again.